warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai
guys, welcome to our podcast. So, I and my friend named Linda Nuraini are usually called
Aini.
So, here we will discuss bullying. Watch video until the end. Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. In this podcast, we will discuss bullying because I don't know much about bullying. Usually bullying is violence. So, what do you think?
Okay.
What is meant by bullying?
Bullying is something that often happens in school, namely violence or aggressions carried out by someone or a group of people against someone or a group of people who are weaker. With what purpose? With the aim of hurting that person.
I see. Thank you for the explanation. So, what is an example of bullying?
Bullying is usually done continuously and not just once. There are many types of bullying. There are physical bullying, for example, pushing a friend or stripping the hair, hitting the man, so on. There is verbal bullying,
A few moments later.
namely bullying someone with words. For example, calling someone something they don't know. Listen, and there are many kinds of bullying.
Okay, from the example you have given, this often happen in our environment. What causes someone to bully?
Usually, people who will do bullying see it from their family because the first education is in the family. When in the family, they are often so that, or maybe the parenting style of their parenting is harsh. Usually, the child will follow suit and then apply it to weaker friends.
Well, I think the friendship environment also has an influence. So the friend account often do things like send routine, much hurt people. In the end, they will follow the flow of their friend.
Real.
Then, what effort can be made to prevent bullying from occurring?
How to optimize effective communication between teachers and students, then students and students. Then also make the school or students feel comfortable and protect that at school so that bullying will not occur.
One last thing, after we discuss what bullying is, what are your hopes for our school to avoid bullying?
I hope that from our chat we can benefit, especially for the students of Seman 1 Python, not to bully. So, if you see bullying, then be silent. You have to support the victim of bullying, and lastly, you have to have the courage to report it, especially when you are the victim of bullying yourself. Don't be afraid to report. Please report to the authorities.
Okay, thank you very much for answering all my questions.
Yes, you're welcome.
With your explanation, I got more insight into what bullying is.
Hopefully, it's useful for all of us.
Next time, we can chat together again with more interesting topic.
I'm ready to it.
Then our podcast this time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye all.
2 hours later.
Ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 toan toan tình, toan tình mình tình tan tan tan.
You sleep?
Dari tadi suara aku dah. Sleeping is violence. Masa? Sebelum dilihat.
Oh, aku gak lihat.